Video creators on YouTube are constantly searching for new ways to help their channels grow, whether they're looking to build their subscriber base or simply get more views and attention. And while there are many free tools available online that can do the trick, sometimes you have to pony up some cash to get what you need. If that sounds like you, Tubebuddy may be the right tool for you to check out. And in this video, I'll be taking a closer look at what it is, how it works. Here's a guide to using Tubebuddy on YouTube in the year 2022. If you're just getting started with a YouTube channel, my #1 piece of advice is to purchase Tubebuddy right away, because it's the best tool out there for attracting viewers. The majority of popular creators on the platform have based their success there on one fundamental factor. Expect your Tubebuddy's video to rack up millions of hits here at this station. Similarly, we plan to employ Tubebuddy. Establish a new channel and get over 100,000 views in the first month. If you want more subscribers to your YouTube channel and more views on your videos, you should watch this video till the conclusion to find out how to download and utilize a program called Tubebuddy. For more information or to get started, scroll down for a link in the description. Selecting this link will transfer you to the video sharing website YouTube. We'll also head to the computer, where I'll demonstrate the setup process for Tubefriend in detail. After we load Tubefriend, I need you to go up to the menu bar and select Sign In from the drop-down menu. And then all you need to do is sign in with the Google or Gmail account that you use for your YouTube channel. Click on the blue button and then select the YouTube channel that you want to add Tubebuddy to, and then you will be signed into your new Tubebuddy account. When you arrive on the homepage, you will have a starter license, which is the free license on YouTube. I currently have a Legend license. It just gives you a few additional features, gives you the health report, the competitor scorecard search ranking tracking A/B testing, which is massive because you back up and export, and it gives you attention analyzer, which helps a lot once you're building a YouTube channel and building your audience. If you're interested in upgrading, that you can. But when you're first starting out on YouTube, the free starter license will be more than enough once you've signed up for a new account. So head over to the Chrome Web Store. You can just tap in Chrome Web Store into Google search and pull it up, and we're going to search for the Tubebuddy plugin. You can search for Tubebuddy for YouTube, and this is the plugin that we're looking for. It's from Tubebuddy. Just check that it is offered from tubebuddy.com and click on the blue Add to Chrome button and click Add Extension. What this extension is going to do, it's going to activate a plugin on your YouTube channel and give you additional features to access within YouTube. So once it is added, you will see this button change from Add to Remove from Chrome. So it is installed, and we can refresh our YouTube homepage, and you'll see that Tubebuddy extension has popped up and sign in is required. So click on it, and we're going to sign in with the new Tubebuddy account that we just created. So select that Gmail account that reviews, then it's going to ask you which channel you want to add if you have multiple channels on that email, and click the blue Allow button to give to vary access to make these changes. Once you've been allowed to buy the access, you'll get a green tick that says Successfully Signed. And now we can access all the amazing features that you get within Tubebuddy. Now if you go over 2 milestones, this is really cool. It'll show you your milestones as you get them. So you get a subscriber milestone, a milestone for your views, and a milestone for your uploads. So it's really cool to track these. And then if you want to share your milestones with friends, you can download your certificate and share that on social media, which is a lot of fun to see. As your YouTube channel grows, you're going to head back to the tools, and I want to show you quickly the Keyword Explorer. This is a great tool, and it'll help you use Tubebuddy to get more views on your YouTube channel when you're first starting out. Now that you've got to be installed on your computer, let me show you a few tips and tricks to get you started. So let's go through a quick example that I used when I was first building my channel. I wanted to create a video on custom thumbnails. So I wanted to target the keyword custom thumbnails. Now that keyword custom thumbnails is a really competitive keyword, and you can see here under the score analysis and the competition, you can see that the competition is poor, which means the competition is way too high for this specific keyword. If you have a big, well-established channel. If you have a big, well-established channel, then you can go for these higher, bigger keywords and have a lot more competition because the search volume is really high. But when you're first starting out, you need to find keywords that have a lower competition in order for you to rank for that specific keyword. If you can rank for those keywords, it's gonna allow you to get more views and grow your YouTube channel and build up trust with YouTube. So the really cool thing about this Keyword Explorer 2 is that it gives you suggestions for longer tail keywords. So there's custom thumbnails on YouTube. If we click on that, then we can explore that keyword. You'll see the keyword will update at the top, and the competition and search volume will update. Now if you go to Custom Thumbnails on YouTube 2022, let's see if we can improve our score. Now look at that, got a very good score, 79 out of 100. And our competition has come down, and our search volume has improved. So a lot of people searching for custom thumbnails on YouTube in 2022. What we ideally are looking for is a competition inside the green. Once we get inside the green, we know we have a good keyword to target for a new YouTube channel. We've got how to make custom thumbnails on YouTube. Let's have a look at that, because these are a lot of common video tags that people are using. You'll see the competition has gone up and the keyword score has come down. But let's have a look at the related now how to make custom thumbnails on YouTube without being verified. We don't really want to explore that. But let's get some more ideas. Here how to make custom thumbnails on YouTube on your phone and looks like a good term. And it's very specific. A lot of people are going mobile now, the competition's come down a bit. But we haven't got into that ideal range. Now we spent a lot of time researching how to get that keyword score down. And this is what we finally came up with, how to enable custom thumbnails on YouTube in 2020. Let's see what kind of keyword score we're going to get for a long tail keyword that is very specific and very focused. So we got an excellent score. See how the competition has gone into that green. And we still have pretty good search volume. So it's one not very high, but it's still very good. This is the ideal strength keyword that you want when you're first starting out on YouTube. So make sure that you do install Tubebuddy, activate the Chrome extension, and you can start doing keyword research so that you can get more views on your YouTube channel. If you want to access all of the features and advantages, just click on the Tubebuddy joining link in the description below. You may discover how great it is. It will help you grow up on YouTube quicker than ever before. Don't pass up this fantastic chance to become a successful YouTuber very soon. If you have any questions or queries about using YouTube, please let us know in the comment section down below, and we will be happy to help you out. And that's it for today. If you found anything valuable in this video, press the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos on how to create and expand your own YouTube channel. And share this video to be seen by more people. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.